Hello. Today's the day we felt the shed roof, and couldn't really have asked for a much better day. It's cooled down a little bit, but it's still probably about 15-18 degrees between that. There are clouds in the sky, but it doesn't look like it's going to rain, so without too much faffing around, let's get started. That'll do for now. We'll tidy it up later, but time for a little drinks break, I think. Okay, that's as much as I'm going to be doing on the roof of the shed for today. Pushed it back a bit. We have put like one of the feather edge boards along the top just to sort of make the edge a bit nicer, but that's that for now. I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to do the sides or the front yet until I've probably put the feather board all the way down on the sides and the front. So what I'm going to do now is just have a general tidy up, because there's just wood everywhere, buckets everywhere, and nowhere to grow anything. So have a nice little tidy up, organise some stuff, maybe put some stuff in the shed because it's watertight now, sort of, from above anyway. And yeah, so I've probably got an hour or two left down here this evening. I'll spend that thinking of my veg rather than just the shed. So yeah, I'm gonna get tidying now. Okay, so this side's a little more tidy now. Sorted out that pile of wood, sorted it into good stuff and not so good stuff, so that's all going down the tip or being burnt. And I've sorted these up, topped these up with compost. And unfortunately I haven't had time, but this side's still not so good. So it's really only this corner now. The pots need to be moved, but more importantly this pile of wood needs to be moved. Some of this I'm going to be using in the shed, so I'll sort that pile out next time I'm down, in the next couple of days hopefully. So yeah, we're getting there. It looks like we're getting prepared to put some veg in. Got 2 bags of rubbish over there, which I'm behind those plastic composters that I'm going to be taking down the tip as well, so that'll free that corner up. I can get my taberry in, and yeah, so progress, things are looking better. So that'll be it for today. Been here for quite a while, been here since 10 o'clock, it's now 6 o'clock, so nice 8-hour stint. Yeah, I'm quite pleased. I got the roof felted and I got the back panelled, well, put the feather edge on the back. So thanks again, Matt, for helping us out. And yeah, got a few veg prepared, ready for the some veg to go in. So anyway, I'm going to sign off now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.